welcome to 533 Powell. Come on in, I'm excited to show it to you. All right, so come on in to one of my favorite parts of this house. Look, right away, I'm sure you can notice how bright it is. Look at all the windows right overlooking the backyard, which is amazing, but we'll get to that. Now here we have a gas stove, nice new appliances, beautiful countertops, beautiful cupboards, backsplash, the whole 9 yards. How about this? You're gonna enjoy your morning coffee right here from this breakfast bar. Now traditionally they're pointed towards the kitchen, but in this case, it's pointed towards your beautiful backyard, so you'll have great views for your morning coffee. And then you can access your backyard right from the side door here. Go on out, check out how deep that backyard is. Now off the kitchen, you've got your dining room. Formal dining room area here, perfect for family gatherings, and it overlooks this awesome living room. Again, super bright, super spacious, crown molding, neutral paint, and beautiful hardwood floor. Now if this isn't enough space on the main floor, I've got another family room I want you to come check out. Welcome to the family room. Super comfortable, cozy, gas fireplace, hardwood floors. I love this room. We're here on the second floor. Look at this spacious foyer. You never see this in a house. Now off this foyer, we have 4 bedrooms. Got 1, 2, 3, and the primary behind me, which we're gonna go check out. You also have another bathroom here for guests or whoever needs it, and your linen closet. But let's go check out the primary bedroom. There's a beautiful shower in the ensuite. Here we are in the primary, and did you check out that shower? It is beautiful. Now I don't know if you noticed the bright and spaciousness in here, and those beautiful hardwood floors from downstairs, they carry throughout the whole second floor. Just makes it really nice and consistent. Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed the tour so far. I just want to recap a couple of things. We're here at 533 Powell Road in Whitby. Fantastic location. 2-story detached home, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, beautifully bright, spacious, nothing to do but move in, and you have 180 feet backyard with no neighbors behind. It is paradise, I'm telling you. Anyways, don't wait, come and check it out, and we'll see you when you get here.